Hello guys, this today we are having this laptop. As you can see, the laptop is powering on then off. The name of this laptop is CHUWI. I've never come across such laptop. As you can see now, it is powering off. Immediately I turn it on, it powers off. So let us see again. Let me try again. As you can see now, powering on. It is on. It is on now. It is loading the window. Now it is off. As you can see, that is the problem with this laptop. Let's open now the main board and look for a short. Maybe there is a short somewhere. Let us see. Okay, before doing anything, so let us remove this battery here to prevent damages. Let us disconnect the battery now. Okay, we have already disconnected the battery now, so we can pull out this thing here. There is one screw which is left here. Here is my tweezer. Okay, another one is here. Okay, it is out. Okay, let us see now. This is the motherboard now. First thing that you have to do, because the laptop is coming on and going off, so what I'll do now, the first thing that I'll do here, I'll set my multimeter in beep mode. Let me, where is it? Here, in beep mode. I'll look for a short maybe on these coils here. Okay, this coil is fine. This one also fine. This one here also fine. Do you have any other coil here? Yeah, we have two coils here. We have another coil here. This one 45 ohms. It is also fine. This one is for the processor now. This one for the battery, it is fine. This one, it is also fine. So there is no short in this laptop. So we are trying to figure out what is the next step that we are going to do on this laptop. Maybe let us confirm our BIOS. If it is short, maybe sometimes it happens. Let me beep. Where is the first pin? This is the ground. Where is the point? This is the point here. This is our power rail, and it is not shorted. So what I'll do now, let us go under the microscope so that we can look it further. Maybe there is some liquid damage, whatever, that will make this laptop. The worst thing with this laptop is that when you power it on without an SSD, without loading the window, the laptop will not power off. But immediately we insert a SSD, it will power off, meaning when loading the windows, it has to take amount of current. So there is something, I can bet there is something that is bringing some issues. Maybe there is some liquid damage, maybe there is some tracks which have left behind. Maybe we can all see this today. So what I'll do, let me zoom under the microscope so that we'll see if we'll get any kind of liquid damage. Okay, now as you can see, we are under the microscope now. Let us see if there is any kind of liquid damage. let me start from here. I think you can see it clearly, so let me start from the battery connector here. It is clear. So let me zoom a little. Any liquid damage near the processor? No, there is no. Everything is fine. Okay. Okay, everything seems to be okay. This is our onboard RAM. They are also okay, but sometimes they can also be our problem. Yeah, but not this one. This is the optional. So let us see. These coils are fine. Okay. This is the LVDS connector. They can also cause such problem, but for this one, it is not. Let me do it this way. Let me confirm everything. This one, this is the, where is the connector? Our charger connector. Charger connector. It is here. And it is well soldered. It is fine. It is not even shaking. The first MOSFET, second MOSFET is also fine. So I can bet this is liquid damage. Let me check over here. This is the HDMI port. These are protection diodes. I'm looking for liquid damage. Maybe it is there. Okay, let me zoom a little bit. Maybe it is under the board. Maybe, who knows? Okay. Now I have spotted the problem near the speakers. Yes, you can see there is some sort of rust here. Yeah, this one can cause. So what I'll do, let me clean it from using alcohol. Let me clean it a little bit. But there is a component which is missing here. If you can see it clearly, there is a component here, and I don't know which component is this. And there is no data sheet for this laptop. This is CHUWI laptop. I received it from another technician who was trying. I think the technician was trying to fix this, but he could not manage to do it. Maybe. Okay, let me see here. There is a no. There is no component over here. So maybe can this be our issue now? Yeah, it can be. So let me clean it thoroughly. Okay, I think we are ready now to go. I think this fault is not that harder. It is simple. Let me remove these strings over here. Where are they? This one here. Let me remove them completely. Now, what I'll do now, I'll unscrew this laptop, then you'll see under the board if there is more liquid damage, so that you cannot do this work halfly. You need to do it completely. So this one, and it has some burning spots here. If you can see, it was like it was welded here. Yeah, this one here. So what I'll do, just give me some few minutes, then I'll remove this motherboard. Okay, we are here. Just because of time I skipped this video, but I show you where there was a problem. This was our problem here. As you can see, this one, it was a liquid damage here. So the problem here, let me explain it. So one of these, this leg, which one, this one, yeah, it was burned, and it was like something like, how do you call it, sweet liquid, yeah. So it was here, it burned this layer from here to here. So I make a loop under this point here. This is the reason as to why when you power on the laptop, it was powering on because it passed 19 volts here. So when you give it a load, it cut off because there is no that stability of it to pull the voltage and the current also. As you can see, it is near our charging port here. So I've tried to look for schematic, but I could not get. So again, after I've replaced this transistor here, I do a lot of researches online, but I could not manage to get the BIOS of this one because it was having issues with BIOS. So it was powering off after every 10 minutes. At first, it was powering off. Immediately you power on, it power off. So I was looking for this BIOS. I could not get it. I tried to download from the original website, but they have not posted the BIOS here. So what I did, I asked a friend of mine, a technician who was sent to me this laptop. He had two copies, so he copied the BIOS, then he sent to me, and now we're going now to have a test on this machine. We'll see if it is working or not. So this was the issue with this laptop. So it has two issues: the BIOS or the liquid damage, and we replace this transistor here. So let us fix it. In the process of BIOS, I'll show you its BIOS. Now let us go to programming mode now. Okay, this is the programmer now. So where is our software? The one I received from my fellow technician. Where is it? I mean, CHUWI. The laptop name is called CHUWI. This one, where is it? It's a 12 volt, 2 amperes. I don't think if you can see. Okay, you cannot see. Let me try to zoom a little bit. As you can see, it is 8 megabit. So what I'll do now, I'll do it a very quick, then I'll show you if it is going to work or not. Then you will see the result now. Because I've done the cleaning, I've replaced that transistor, but now it is working for some time, then it powers off. So I need to do programming, then I'll be back to you. This BIOS, I'll put it in the video description. Whoever you want, you have the same model, you can just download it from my site here. I'm going to give it in my video description. You will have it whenever you come across such laptop, because
the manufacturer does not provide the BIOS anymore. Yeah, just because of time I have skipped that process. Let us try now to power on if our laptop is going to work or not. We have seen a blue light there. Let us wait for the picture now. Okay, yes, we have a picture now. CHUWI. As you can see, our laptop is CHUWI account. Okay, it is fine now. You remember last time when we just enter the password. Once we log in, the laptop will power off. So let us try now to. I've already put the password now. Let me click enter. Oh, it is incorrect. Let me try again. Okay, as you can see now, it is fine. Okay, I forget to connect the touch pad. As you can see, this one now, it is not working. Let me open it again. Our keypad now is not working at all. Let us try again and see if it will work. If the I found that I forgot to connect the cable now. As you can see, the touch now is working fine. Let me input the password. No, sorry. As you can see now, our laptop is working fine. Everything is fine. Everything is working fine. No turning off at an interval time. Everything is fine now. Let us do this way. This is the model and the specification of this machine. So if you come across such machine, you can just download the BIOS, working BIOS that I'll be giving you in my video description, because I've tried to look for this BIOS online. I cannot find it. Maybe there is a way, but I have tried my best. From Barcubs, I've never seen it. Vinafix. So for you not to struggle that much, if you have these specific types of this model of this laptop, you can just copy it. This BIOS is tested and working fine, as you can see. So this is what I have brought for you this today. If you like the video, you can just share. Then from that bell icon notification, you can press, then select all, so that every time I update my videos, you will be able to learn something new. So next we are going to know, for you to declare that the PCH is dead. So I'll take you through so that you can be able to understand when to replace the CPH, when it is shorted, when it is not shorted. We see all voltages which are supposed to be in the PCH, I think they are like 13 steps that I'll take you through. And these steps will determine, after all that you have get everything that we are going to study, then probably our problem will be the PCH now. So let me prepare for the video. I think you enjoy this video. Bye.